Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area? And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in the upper search bar, along with your city name, and after submitting your search, you're going to pick from the first few results down below or up in the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose, but it seems to be a pretty popular option. As you'll notice, there are about 260 searches for roofing in Long Beach every single month. And now the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches so that we can guarantee that 260 people every single month see your business first before looking at another competitor. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we're going to need to do first. So first off, we'll talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and compare that to your site and see what you're doing or not doing as far as content goes. Here we have Long Beach Roofing, and they rank on the first page organically for roofing companies in the Long Beach area. And if we scroll down their page, you're going to notice that they have a few different paragraphs of content here and there, but nothing really major. And what this does is that it leaves the door open for us to really go in and build out our content and start outranking them when we connect all those different factors that Google's looking for. Because content is very important because it promotes a positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when they're looking to put a website on that first page, or as the first result is that they promote that positive user experience. So normally I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page. But also if we went through their content, you'd also notice that they have very industry specific keywords all throughout their website. Keywords being the most used words or phrases on a site. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So very important that we not only have a very contentful site, but also that we have industry specific keywords to back it. So let's go to your website and see if it follows that pattern. So now here we are on your website, and if we scroll down it, you're going to notice that you have a little bit of content here and there, but you don't really have a lot of content, and you're definitely under that 750 to 1,000 word kind of range that I'd recommended earlier. So we're going to want to get into that range at the bare minimum, or even go above and beyond that if you would like to. But like I said, very contentful site is what we need. And then on top of that, we're going to want our industry specific keywords, things like roofing, Long Beach, roof, roofer, all these different industry specific keywords to really point Google in the right direction. But now that's only going to be the first part of everything, and that's our internal side of things. So we have our internal side, which lays the foundation and determines where we rank, and then we have our external side, which is really going to help us climb over our competitors and really start outranking them. Now, on that external side, we have backlinking, and we also have citations. So let's go back to your competitor and see what they're doing as far as a backlink structure for their website. We are in a tool use called Ahrefs, and you'll notice your competitor has about 668 backlinks built to their site. It's generating them some power and ultimately bring in about 260 users every single month. Now, those 260 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally as far as backlinking goes. So we want to go in and we're going to want to build out even more backlinks, probably upwards of 800 backlinks, maybe even 1,000 if we really want to push that margin on top of our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, we can just as easily get 260 users to our website every single month, if not more. So let's take a look at your backlink structure now and see how you stack up. So now here we are taking a look at your website, and currently you have 33 backlinks built to your site. You're not really generating much power, and ultimately you're not bringing in any users. And that's not really going to help us because our website should be essentially treated like a 24-hour salesperson because that's exactly what it is, and we want to make sure that we give it the resources that it needs to close sales for us. So ultimately we want to up our backlinks, really go above and beyond our competitors, as well as our content, as well as our keywords. And if we do all that, we should start to see a very positive movement in our traffic. But there was one more thing that I had mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go back to the Google search engine results page and talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So now here we have this Google Map Pack, and it's super important because it essentially gives our business a second place that we can win online. We can have our business shown down below in the organic search results or up in the Google Map Pack. And if we can do both, we guarantee that 260 people every single month see our business first before looking at another company. However, the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different factors that it does to rank its company. One of the most important being citations, as citations are everywhere your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I actually took a look at each one of these companies from top to bottom and found that at number one, we had 52 citations. At number two, we had 37. And lastly, at number three, we had 26. So if number one is 52, like I said, we always want to go above and beyond our competition. So we're going to need 104 backlinks on top of our content, on top of our keywords, and on top of our backlinks. And if we do all that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our business is generating month over month, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website is bringing us every single month. Now, that's all I really have for you, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could an extra 260 users for your business, or I should say, for your website, do every single month for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.